Hello students. Um, in previous class I sent numericals as home task, but most of the students are facing problem of this numerical, and this numerical has been given in question number 40. So now I am going to solve this numerical. You see one by one. So here the numerical has given total items are 12. Total items I have written here 12. So now first in income method. I have written here NDPFC and the formula COE OS plus MIAC. So put the value of COE. So COE, the value of COE 1200. Operating surplus, rent, interest, profit. So write rent 200, interest 270, profit 700, and royalty 0, plus MIAC mixed income of self-employed 600. NDPFC 2970. Now NNPFC. NDPFC plus NFIA. So 2970 plus net factor income from abroad NFIA 30. So national income 3000 rupees in crore. So in income method, national income 3000 calculated. So this is the very easy, and only the formula you have written, and calculate the numerical. Now next, expenditure method. I am going to write the expenditure method. So income method 3000. Income method rupees 3000 crore. Expenditure method GDP MP. PFCE plus GFCE plus GDCF plus net export. So put the value. Private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure 1500 plus government final consumption 1000 plus GDCF 700 plus net export. So net export minus 20. So GDP MP 3180. Now next, national income NNP FC equal to GDP MP gross to net minus debt, domestic to national plus NFIA, and MP to FC minus NEET. So GDP MP 180 minus depreciation. So one thing you see that depreciation, the value of depreciation here not given. So how to calculate depreciation? How to calculate depreciation? So you have to find out the value of depreciation. How? So here I want to say two things you have to keep in mind. In such a way, if you find in examination that the numerical has given here but depreciation not given, so how to calculate depreciation? Two things I am going to say, so you have to keep in mind. First thing, you have GDCF, gross domestic capital formation, and net domestic capital formation. We know gross domestic capital formation equal to net domestic capital formation plus depreciation. This is the formula. How to calculate GDCF? NDCF plus debt. Previous class I told. So here you have to calculate debt. So now debt equal to GDCF minus NDCF. So GDCF value 700, NDCF value 600. Then debt will be 100. Depreciation will be 100. You write here debt 100. Understood how to calculate debt? Because here GDCF and NDCF the value given, and we know that GDCF how to calculate, NDCF plus depreciation. So you change the depreciation will be GDCF minus NDCF. So depreciation will be 100. You put the value depreciation 100. 100 plus NFIA 30 minus NIT 110. You calculate this. Rupees 3000 crore. So in expenditure method we get the result 3000 crore, and in income method 3000 crore. So this both method we get the same value. So the numerical is correct numerical. And now one thing I want to say, first here GDCF and NDCF, differences between GDCF and NDCF, we get depreciation. One point. And next point I want to say that I think that after this you can understand. So now next, you think that at the time of examination you see the numerical here, depreciation not given, GDCF not given, GDCF not given, debt not given, only NDCF given. GDCF not given, a depreciation not given. So how to calculate in expenditure method national income? This is very important. This is very important thing. It may happen in examination also. GDCF not given, depreciation not given, only NDCF given. So how to calculate NI? So there is also a process how to calculate. So you write In expenditure method, we know that first we have to calculate GDP MP. Everyone knows that GDP MP first we have to calculate. But in such a situation, depreciation not given, CF not given, only NDCF given. So how to calculate? So now you write here private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus only net domestic capital formation given plus net export. You write in such a way. PFC, GFC, net domestic capital formation, because GDCF not given. So NDCF you write plus net export. Then you write here NDPMP. NDPMP. Clear? When such a situation arises, then you write NDPMP, not GDPMP, because here net included, so depreciation outside, so gross domestic product not written here. NDPMP only you write. Then with the help of NDPMP you can calculate national income, because here depreciation not required. Clear or not? If GDCF, NDCF given, then you difference the between GDCF and NDCF get depreciation. If GDCF and depreciation not given, then in such a situation you can calculate in such a way. PFC, GFC plus NDCF plus net export. Then you write here NDPMP, not GDPMP. So very important thing in expenditure method. So these two things you have to keep in mind, then you easily calculate the numerical. So now I complete this portion. Next I am going to write precautions of expenditure method.